Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove the blades from the fans that come with the case of a lot of pre-built desktop PCs. These type of fans are usually of sleeve bearing type, so you might have a hole in the back that helps you remove the blades, but in my case there is none, so to remove them we just need to apply pressure on it from the back and or pull the blades until they come out. As you can see here, I've tried to poke holes in the back, but I just couldn't get through and I was afraid to break it. I actually broke some of it. So I suggest you just pull it out just like the way I did it. As you can see here, these are all the parts you're gonna find after you pull out the blades. And you can put them back in very easily. You just apply pressure on it once you put them back in. Just a little bit and they just snap back in. I hope this helps. Peace out.